So as per the data of the question, let's draw the diagram required. So we have been given that a rectangle is inscribed inside a triangle. So let's draw the triangle first. So this is the triangle. Now we have to inscribe a rectangle in it. So this is the rectangle that we needed. And further it is given that the base of the rectangle, triangle is B. So let's take this as a B. And it is given that the altitude of the triangle is H. So this will be the altitude, this will be H. Furthermore, it is given that altitude X of the rectangle is half the base of the rectangle. So if this is X, this will be 2X. Okay. Now let's draw the altitude of the triangle, which is of length H. Now if we name this triangle ABC and rectangle as EFGH and this as a D. Okay, so if you look at the triangle BEH and triangle BDA, you will find that these two triangles are similar. Why? Because they both contain angle B and this line is parallel to this line. So furthermore, you can adjust one more angle that will be equal. Similarly, these two triangles will be similar. So what we know that if the triangle are similar, their sides are proportional. So if BE upon BD, this will be equal to nothing but EH upon ED, and from these two triangles we can take CF upon CD, that will equal to FG upon AD. Now EH is nothing but X and AD is nothing but H. Similarly this X, H. Okay, so from here you can say that BE is nothing but X upon H into BD, and this will be CF equal to X upon H into CD. Now what you can do, add these two. So BE plus CF will be X upon H BD plus X upon H CD. Now add these two. So if we take common XH, so this will be BD plus CD. BE plus CF. What is BE plus CF? If you look BE plus CF is nothing but B minus 2X. Okay, whole length is B and this length is 2X. So if we minus this, we get this and this. So this is B minus 2X, and from here we can take BD plus CD. If you look BD plus CD, this will be B. Okay, now multiply H here. So we will get BH minus 2XH. This is equal to BX. Now we need to find the value of X, so we will take this term and take it of that side. So BH will be BX plus 2XH. Now take common X, so this is B plus 2H, and this whole value is equal to BH. So X will be nothing but BH upon B plus 2H. This was quite a simple question which was based on the similarity. I hope you understood this question.